Welcome to this tutorial for how to clean data in Google Sheets. This tutorial is part one of a two-part data cleaning project. In this portion, we will be getting the data ready for use in a dashboard. After completing this case, you will be able to 1. Define ETL, 2. Describe why ETL is needed, 3. Apply various tools, functions to clean data. ETL stands for Extract, Transform, and Load. The ETL process extracts, transforms, and loads data from multiple sources to a data warehouse or single data source where that data can be used in decision making. Data that is not clean prior to use will lead to faulty decisions. ETL is the foundation for data analytics. In this step, we will be opening the Google Sheets file and widening the columns in it to fit the data. We are getting the file ready for use. Open the Google Sheets data file as provided by your instructor. Next, we will widen all columns to fit. Click the Select All button in the top left corner, then double-click the boundary line between the column A and column B headings. Each column has been widened to accommodate the column's text headings. In this step, we will be finding and removing all the duplicate records in the data. Click on the Data tab. In the drop-down menu, click Data Cleanup. In the next dialog box, click Remove Duplicates. In the Remove Duplicates dialog box, click Data has Header Row, then click Remove Duplicates. A pop-up message will let you know how many duplicate values were found and removed. Click OK. In this step, we will be removing spaces and non-printing characters from the text. Look at the left side of column A. We see a variety of spacing before the transaction year. Sometimes there is a space, sometimes there is another character, sometimes there is no space. We need to standardize the fields so that when we summarize the data, the transaction years are grouped together. So we are going to remove those spaces and non-printing characters. The trim function removes leading and trailing spaces from text, and the clean function removes non-printing characters. We will use these functions to trim and clean the transaction year data from column A. Click in cell B2 and type equals trim left parenthesis clean left parenthesis A2 right parenthesis and hit enter. Google Sheets will give you a suggested autofill message. Hit Control-Enter to autofill the rest of the column with the formula. If you are using a Mac, use Command instead of Control. Column B data has been trimmed and cleaned. In this step, we will be using Find and Replace. We need to remove the word coffee from the inventory item descriptions and replace it with the word cola. Select columns G and H. Click on the Edit tab. In the drop-down menu, click Find and Replace. In the Find and Replace dialog box, type coffee for find and type cola for replace with. Click Replace All. A pop-up message will let you know how many replacements were done. Click Done. In this step, we will be changing a field to uppercase. Now we will change the warehouse state column's text to uppercase. Click in cell O2 and type equal upper left parenthesis N2 right parenthesis, then hit enter. Google Sheets will give you a suggested autofill message. Hit Control-Enter to autofill the rest of the column with the formula. Column O data has been changed to uppercase. Notice that there is also a lower function to change all text to lowercase. In this step, we will be formatting numbers as currency. The numbers here need to have dollar signs in front of them to signify that they are currency. Select columns AE through AI. Click the Format tab. In the drop-down menu, click Number. In the next drop-down menu, click Currency. Now select columns AE through AH. We will not be changing column AI with this step. Click the reduced decimal icon twice. Give yourself a pat on the back. The data cleaning portion of this project is done. Be sure your file is saved because you will need it for the next portion of this project. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.